In my previous video, I stated 5 reasons why your advert may not be working, and I also profiled solutions to those problems if you are facing those problems. All right. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 types of adverts that every business owner should run. I mean, Facebook and Instagram advert. Okay. Very 5 important type of advert. Now, these adverts are very effective. They can attract customers to you. Not only that, they will get you customers who are going to pay you money, and they will get you customers who are going to stay with your business. All right. Um, as a matter of fact, if you have the financial capacity, you can run all 5 types of ad at the same time. However, if you do not have the capacity to run it, you can pick probably 2, 3 of it, and you are going to see immense results, right? So stay with me, and this is what we're going to learn in this video. Without wasting time, let's dive into the first type of ad that you should start running as a business owner. The first ad that you should run, you must, if you want to make sales, is customer feedback or review ads. All right. These ads, I promise you, the results you are going to get from this ad. Sometimes people do not buy from you because they probably are still skeptical. They are not sure if your product or your service will solve their problem. They don't know you yet, or they don't have that trust in you. They are not completely convinced yet. However, if they see other people who have used your product or service, and these people come out to speak, it is called word of mouth, right? These people come out to speak good things about their experience with your product or service. Other people will tend to want to try it out. That is the importance of feedback. That is why when you go to websites like Amazon and all these bigger e-commerce websites, you see them always include feedbacks. They always include reviews. They know the importance of having reviews. All right. This type of advert can be used for both physical product, digital product, consultancy services, whatever it is that you offer. You can ask your customers to give you a feedback on their experience with your product, feedback on the experience with your services. If you are selling skincare products, let your customers give you feedback. If you are selling fashion, jean, share, whatever it is, let your customers wear your clothes and just take a pose, strike a pose, give you feedback and give you a shout out. Just ask your customers to give you a shout out. With this kind of shout out, if you have up to 5 shout outs, compile it, run advert with it. People are going to want that same experience. They will want to experience that same relief, that same solution, they want to have that same vibe. So they send you a DM, they want your product or they want your service. So always ensure that you ask your customers for feedback, not just about typing it or all this written feedback. It can be doctored, it can be forged. Tell them to make a video, short video, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, just giving you a shout out and feedback and review about your products. If you use it to run adverts, you're going to make sales. Number two, product in action type of advert. Now, this is the type of advert that we say show, don't tell. Let's take, for instance, when I was selling blender, when I was selling all those blender that can blend bottle. All right. What I did, we sold thousands of that blender. We made money. We made money selling that blender. We made, like, when I say money, I mean we generated money, millions of money selling that blender. Why? Because I made the video myself. I did not employ anybody. I did not use any video from the internet. I did not download video. I made the video myself. I told people that this blender can blend your bottles. This blender can blend beans, rice, whatever it is, can blend bottle. And I said, let me prove to you that this blender can blend bottle. What did I do? I had to blend bottle in that video. People saw it in the advert. They believed. Seeing is believing. So you show them, don't tell them that this blender can blend bottle. Show us that it can blend bottle. I did that and the advert caught fire. The advert converted like crazy. This is one of the best ways to sell physical products. You don't have to convince people a lot. Let the product in action convince them. If you sell sneakers that are durable, that even if I step on nail, it won't pierce through. Take that sneakers, go and step on nail and show us, right? If you sell wristwatch and this your wristwatch is water resistance, it is waterproof, whatever it is, don't tell us it is waterproof. Bring a bowl of water or a cup of water, drop the wristwatch inside it and show us that it is still working. If your phone If your phone is waterproof or water resistance, drop the phone in the water, go down inside the pool, make video, let's see the phone working. People will, once they believe, they will buy. Products in action. Find a way to put your products in action in a video and show it to the world. They will come to you, they will buy what you are selling. Number three is behind the scene type of ad. All right. Now, this ad simply educates your audience about your business activities. Right. It doesn't intend to sell immediately. Okay. It simply gets people familiar with your activities, with your operations. It builds connection. It builds trust. People easily know you. They know your staff. They know, oh, I know this staff. I know your staff. Tomorrow they can say, hi, how about your staff? The one we saw in the other video. How people just want to connect with people they want to buy from. So they see the behind the scene, they see, oh, this is where you produce this is where you batch produce, and you move to this section, move to this section. Okay, you just bought clothes in large quantity, you just bought bill. This is how you unveil them. Okay, your shoes, the container just landed, right? Behind the scene. Show as people are unpacking the containers. I do these things in my business. I show as we offload cartons. I show people as we offload cartons. I show people as we do a lot of other stuff behind the scene. Many people are scared of doing it. Many people don't want to do it. Do it. It builds connection between you and your audience. They trust you more. They know you now. They love your brand. They just want to associate with you. And even if they don't want to buy now, they can recommend your products or services to other people to buy from you. Number four, informative and educational type of adverts. This is one of the best ways to attract people to your brand. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, right? Give me a thumbs up, like this video, so that the algorithm on YouTube will show the video to more people. That's all I'm asking of you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I make this kind of informative videos. I help people make more sales. I help people make more money online by simply giving you information like this. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Okay, so yes, informative or educational ads. This type of advert will place you on a pedestal that you will be shocked, right? It places you as an authority. People will begin to reference you as an authority, as someone they can come to, as someone they can tell their problems to. Let's take, for instance, you visit a doctor or a dentist. They ask you a question, what's the issue, whatever it is, you answer, and then they begin to, then based on your answer, they begin to inform you, educate you, stuff like that. Another example, let's take for instance, you are looking for a dentist. You have your tooth issues, yeah, and you want to see a dentist, and then you go on Instagram and you type dentist near me, and then you are seeing different, on the Instagram. Once you enter, you see the explore page, different ones, and you see one of them placing adverts saying, come, we have the best dental care clinic, we have this, we have the best doctors. That's it. Then another dentist, all through their page, they are educating you on how to care for your teeth. They're educating you on, oh, if you have these things, this is what is likely the cause, this is the solutions, we do it for you, we can help you handle it. And then you know that you have that issue. And then they're telling you what the issue is, and they're telling you that they have the solution. They are educating you how to brush, the type of brush to use, the type of how to floss, what time to brush your mouth, how to care for your gum, how to care for your enamel. They are giving you different type of education. Which of these businesses would you patronize? Which of these dental clinics would you visit? Of course, you visit the one that you perceive to be an authority, the one that gives you free information, free educative information. Educate people about your product. Educate them about yourself. If you sell shoes, educate people about shoe types that goes with lace, that goes with tiles, that goes with suits, that goes with casual. Educate people on the type of socks to wear, right? If you sell sneakers, for instance, educate people on color combinations. If you sell hair, educate people on how to care for their hair, how to maintain their hair, products to avoid, products to use. There are a lot of educational values that you can give to people and they will be attracted to your brand. They will come to you in droves. They want to associate with your brand. Why? Because they see you as someone who cares and they see you as someone who knows. So they believe that you're someone who can help them. And this will also help your business grow, your page grow, get more followers because people go to where they find value. If they find value in your business, they will come to you. Number five, retarget your warm audiences. Listen, if you're not retargeting, you are leaving money on the table, right? It is retargeting simply means you show your advert to people who already know you. These people they have interacted with your business in one way or another. They've either watched your video, they've either liked, they've either shared, they've either sent you a DM, right? They may not have bought from you, but they know your business. They've seen your business. It's not your first time coming across them. It's not their first time coming across you. So they know about your product or service, but they've not yet purchased, right? Many of them have purchased, but some of them have not purchased. Retarget them with your offer because somebody might want to buy from you, but something else can take their attention away, right? And then they don't see your ad again. But when you retarget them, they begin to see your ad often. It forces them to buy. On the average, it is believed that people have to see your advert or see your business up to 7 times before they make that purchase decision. So when you retarget people with different types of creatives, you are on their faces every day. They are forced to spend that money on that product or service. It is simple. Go into your ads manager, right? Create a custom audience, warm audience, custom audience, and retarget them. Easy PC. If you run these 5 different type of adverts, I promise you are going to make money. I promise you are going to make money. Your days of complaining will be over. Now tell me, which of this type of advert are you running currently for your business? I'd like to know. Let's exchange ideas. Let's talk. Which of these ads are you running currently, and which one would you be implementing in your next ad campaign? I want to know, right? If you have any questions, I'm here with you. I want to connect with you. I want to learn from you as much as you learn from me, and I want to also give you some suggestions and some advice. So feel free to comment in the comment section. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment, and share this video with business owners you know will find it helpful. And you can connect with me on social media via my handles Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. My name is Courage Ngele. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.